Good morning, students. The topic of today's lecture is team building. It comes under the subject soft skill, experiment number 2. Learning objectives. Concept of team building, team building activities, training, ground rules, co-location or war room, rewards and recognition, team performance assessment, manage project teams, observation and conversation, project performance appraisal. First, the concept of team building. Team building is also a science. There are formally identified stages of team formation and development. The stages are forming. People are brought together as a team. Number 2, storming. There are disagreements as people lean to work together. Number 3, norming. Team members begin to build a good working relationships. Number 4, performing. The team becomes efficient and works efficiently together. And last one is adjourning. The project ends, the team is disbanded. Team building activities. Team building activities help the project team work as a cohesive group working for the best interest of the project and thus enhances the project performance. A few things include: it is a project manager's job to guide, manage and improve the interactions of team members. Trust and cohesiveness amongst team members should be improved by the project manager. All project activities should include team building activities. Throughout the life of the project, team building activities require concerted efforts and continued focus. WBS creation is a team building tool. Team building should start early in the life of the project. Training. Training opportunities for team members help improve their skills. They also decreases overall project cost and schedule by increasing efficiency. Conducting training is a cost to the project and should be paid by the project. It should be documented in the human resource plan. Ground rules. Ground rules help establish standards and expectations for the team. The rules can address honesty in all communications. Conflict resolution methods, escalation procedures. Whether it is allowable for people to interact with another team members, acceptable ways to interrupt when someone is talking during the meeting, consequences of late attendance, rules for taking phone calls, email etiquette, reading text messages during the meeting. Setting rules can help eliminate conflicts or problems with the team during the project because everyone knows what is expected for them. For virtual teams, ground rules are especially important. Co-location or war room. A project manager might try to arrange for the entire team in each city to have offices together in one place or one room. This is called the co-location and helps improve communication, decrease the impact of conflict since all the parties are right there, and improves identify for the project team and for management in a matrix organization. A war room is a central location for project coordination. A war room is used for creating WBS, network diagrams, schedule, etc. Rewards and recognition. As defined in the human resource plan, the project manager appraises performance and gives out team member appropriate rewards and recognition in the developed project team process. किसी भी टीम की सफलता उसके परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है और परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल की सफलता उसके अंदर रिवार्ड्स और रिकॉग्निशन के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. जब हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि कोई भी टीम मेंबर परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा करे तो टीम मेंबर भी उम्मीद करता है कि उसको रिवार्ड और रिकॉग्निशन मिले. टीम परफॉर्मेंस असेसमेंट. द प्रोजेक्ट manager completes formal and informal team performance assessment as part of developing the project team. These assessments evaluate and enhance the effectiveness of the team as a whole. Manage project team. It involves day-to-day management of people. Developing the team is different from managing the project team. It involves encouraging good communication, working with other organizations, using negotiation skills, using leadership skills, observing what is happening, using an issue log, keeping in touch, completing project performance appraisals, making good decisions, influencing the stakeholders, being a leader, actively looking for and helping resolve conflicts that the team members cannot resolve on their own. Observations and conversation. A little attention to things such as tone of emails, phone conversations can tell us what happening in the project, even for virtual teams. A project manager should continue to talk to people instead of just looking at the reports to understand the nerve of the project. Project performance appraisals. A little attention to things such as tone of emails, phone conversations can tell us what's happening in the project. A project manager should continue to talk to people instead of just looking at the reports to understand the nerve of the project. To do it in your practical file of soft skill and submit the report within 2 days, that is Friday at 11 a.m. Thanking you. Report or any query can be sold out at rajeshgautam@gphisar.ac.in. Thank you again.